Today, I'm reviewing AI Traffic Wild created by Harry Fellman and Bill McCoria. Two guys call themselves traffic ventures with over 30 years of experience. And before we started, I made a free PDF that explains everything in a simple steps. Understanding AI Traffic Wild, you completely guide to find customer online. Download it, it's for free. The link in the description. What AI Traffic Wild actually is? AI Traffic Wild is a marketed as AI-powered traffic machine. Instead of teaching you how you get traffic, it's claimed to deliver traffic filters by AI to target people already searching for make money online. So you are not getting cold click, you are getting users who already want to buy or sign ups. What you get inside, here are what comes with the system. The AI traffic systems, their micro commitment funnel strategy, training, AI bridge page plus AI landing page builders, plus for bonus, AI funnel builders, quick steps guide, VIP support, extra tools to help you convert the traffic. Everything is designed to help you the traffic convert better. Pricing, there are several packages. One, 37 basic plan, training only, no traffic. Higher tier opts you up $379 include the full system, plus up 2000 filters clicks. The real value comes from the traffic packages. Who this for? AI Traffic Wall is best for affiliate marketing beginner who want fast done for your traffic, people who don't want to learn ads, anyone promoting Momo or high-ticket digital offers. If you want plug and play traffic, this is made for you. If you want a simple breakdown of how it's work and whether it's worth it or not, download my free PDF guide, Understanding AI Traffic While you completely guide to finding customer online. The link in the description. Grab it now. It's for free.